everyone, today I'll be unboxing a new pair of Rothys. This is a pair of Rothy sneakers that I recently ordered. Let's get to unboxing. Alright, so here we got the shoes open. Here it says in the box, proudly sustainable since day one, since we all know that Rothys are actually made of recycled water bottles. So great for the environment. Take the shoes out, make sure there's nothing else in here, just an invoice. So, all right, that's fairly easy to unbox. Put all that stuff on the side. Here are the sneakers. These are actually a fairly new print. They're called Ocean Iris. It's a purple color that kind of has shades of dark purple, and light purple, and white. So the pattern is really cute. It's one that I haven't owned before, and I don't believe it's available in other styles, only the sneaker. Let's take these out. The sole of the sneaker is actually fairly thick. It looks like it's about an inch here, and I think that it's not super soft, but it's not hard either. I think it's definitely softer than Rothy's loafers and flats and things like that, and I think it's because you have this thick sole on the shoe. I'm not sure if it's really called the sole or not, but you get what I mean. So here is the insert that's inside the shoe. It's also purple to match the shoe itself. Other things to note on this shoe, like all Rothys, they have the signature blue accent here on the side. On the inside and towards the back of the shoe, you see more of a white color, and then the design and the purple is really on the front. I think this purple color would really be versatile in terms of wearing with any kind of like black or neutral color tones. I got this just to kind of wear around town. I'm not really sure if you could wear this to work. You might be able to, depending on where you work, but I think it's a very cute casual shoe, and I'll give it a try right now and show you what I think. All right guys, so I have my Rothy sneakers on, super comfy. I ordered a size 7.5, which is my normal size, and I think the size 7.5 really is not too tight, and it also gives me enough room here in the front to really wiggle my toes. Walking around, taking my first few steps, I think that there's enough cushion on the shoe, and I think I really don't have any concerns. Like all Rothys, there's really no break-in period. Walking around, turning, I don't have any kind of rubbing on my foot anywhere, and really not too much to talk about with these shoes. I think they're great. They look really cute. They look really nice out just casually wearing them around town or the city. If you have any questions in particular, please let me know. I think this pattern is definitely something new, and I wanted to take a closer look at it during this video. So I think if you have any questions on the pattern itself and whether it would match clothes and things like that, I think the dark purple would go well with a lot of different outfits. They do have a similar pattern that comes in green if you're interested in having more of a green colored sneaker. These shoes are actually fairly lightweight, and they're not heavy, so they don't feel like they're really weighing me down as I walk. So I think in terms of going on a long walk or even going around town, these would be really comfortable and wouldn't really feel too heavy on your legs. I also wanted to just point out, with all Rothys, you can wash these in the laundry machine. It's just important that you take the insole out of the shoe and put it separately. If you have any questions on washing Rothys, they do have clear-cut instructions included in the box. Anyways, comment below if you have any questions, or if you want to learn more about these sneakers. Thanks for watching.